Hello friends, hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Welcome to another video. Today we will see how to make an easy bread roll. Let us do something different for the dinner table. So let us see how to make it. It is super easy and very delicious. For that we'll take 210 ml of milk, lukewarm milk. Into that we'll add half teaspoon of yeast. Here I'm using instant yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. In case you're using dry yeast, you can wait for it to get activated and then add the flour. I'm adding 300 grams of all-purpose flour or Maida. Into that half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix everything well. I want to really thank you for all the support given for my previous videos. Thanks a lot. After mixing this, we will transfer it onto the counter and knead it. If you're new to bread baking, you can watch my other bread videos where the kneading technique is described in detail. Now we'll knead this dough well for 15 to 20 minutes till it becomes soft and supple. We can do the stretch and fold method. Or the slap and fold method. Slap the dough onto the counter and fold it to the front. All these techniques will make this dough soft and elastic. We can also roll the dough on the counter like this to make the dough soft. Now the dough has become quite soft and smooth. You can see that how the ball has become so soft and smooth. On stretching, the dough is not tearing. That means the dough has been kneaded enough. Now we can keep it for proofing. We'll keep it in a greased bowl for around 1 to 1.5 hours or 2 hours depending on the climate, weather conditions. Now the dough is doubled in size. On poking the dough, see the dough is collapsing. That means the dough has been proofed enough. Now we can shape the dough. We'll give a quick knead to the dough to degas it. Sprinkle some flour onto the counter. Transfer the dough ball onto the counter and we'll shape it. Roll the dough into a rectangle. Here we are using a 9 by 16 inch baking tray for baking the bread. I've greased it very well and we'll transfer this dough into the pan and spread it using our hands. Spread it well so that it covers the bottom of the pan. Now cover it with a cling film and we'll keep it for proofing about half an hour. Now the dough is proofed. We'll use a fork and prick it well so that it doesn't rise up while baking. We'll give a good egg wash. I've just taken one beaten egg, but we won't need the whole thing. We'll just give a brush and then sprinkle some sesame seeds. White sesame seeds I have taken, and some spring onions. We'll bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. I have used the toast mode to bake it. Now it is beautifully baked. We'll turn it onto a butter paper and just give cuts. We'll just give cuts here. We will not uh, cut it till the bottom. We'll just give lines. This is to enable us to roll the bread without it tearing. We'll wait till the bread is cooled down properly. Then apply some mayonnaise or any other dressings which you would like. And here I have used some grated carrots to make a veggie bread roll. You can use any other filling of your choice. And then once the bread is properly cooled, we'll roll it. We'll roll it, hold it softly and roll. In my first try, I couldn't roll it, and I had to make small squares out of it. I couldn't roll it into a bread roll. This time it is coming properly. So you have to wait till the bread is properly cooled, and you have to draw the lines before rolling it out. Now hold it tightly for keep it tightly rolled for about 10-15 minutes. If you want, you can put a sellotape or something and keep it like this. See, this is what happened to my first try. Now we can cut the edges, and the bread roll is ready. Hope you will all try this out. It's a very easy and simple recipe, something different for your dinner table and to impress your family. So please do try it out, give your feedbacks. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed. While subscribing, press the bell icon and select all option to get notifications when my new videos are uploaded. Give your feedbacks and suggestions. I would really love to see them. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.